Good morning from Prudent Prosperity, Wednesday, July the 23rd. Here are 5 things you need to know today. Number 1. U.S. stock futures popped on Wednesday after the U.S. struck a trade deal with Japan, lifting hopes for further tariff pacts as Wall Street got ready for Tesla and Alphabet earnings. Dow Jones Industrial Average rose roughly 0.5%, while S&P 500 futures moved up 0.4%. Contracts on the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 nudged up 0.2%, following a mixed day for stocks. Number 2. President Trump announced a trade deal with Japan that would set tariffs on exports from that country to the U.S. at 15%, in a reprieve from the 25% tariffs Trump threatened ahead of an August 1st deadline. Under the deal, Japan will invest $550 billion in the U.S., and Japan will open its country to U.S.-made products, including automobiles and agricultural products like rice, Trump said. Shares of Japanese automakers surged on the news, with U.S.-listed shares of Toyota higher by more than 12% in pre-market trading. Number 3. Investors will be watching for earnings reports from Tesla and Google parent Alphabet after markets close today. Analyst estimates compiled by Visible Alpha showed that Tesla is expected to report an over 10% decline in quarterly revenue after the EV maker's quarterly delivery numbers came in below estimates, while Alphabet is projected to report growing revenue and profits. Tesla and Alphabet shares were little changed in pre-market trading. Number 4. Digital payments provider Block is set to join the S&P 500 today, making it the second blockchain company to join the S&P 500 after cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase Global was added earlier this year. Block will replace Hess in the index as Chevron completes its acquisition of the company. Shares of Block are up 2% in pre-market trading after surging on the news of its inclusion in the index last week. Number 5. Shares of camera maker GoPro and donut maker Krispy Kreme are soaring in pre-market trading as investors pile into the latest meme stocks. GoPro shares are higher by almost 50% in early trading, while Krispy Kreme is rising over 30% despite little significant news around the companies. The surge comes as other meme stocks have taken off recently, including Kohl's and Open Door Technology. And that's it for today.
If any of today's insights sparked a question or made you think about your own financial journey, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Let's take your next step together, strategically and confidently. And always remember, stay prudent, stay prosperous, make it a great day.